Question number 10. In a certain examination, 50% students passed in account, 30% passed in English, 30% failed in both, and 50 students passed in both subjects. Now, by drawing Venn diagram, we have to find the number of students who passed in account only. And since the question is given in percent, so number of U is 100%. 50% passed in account. That's why number of A is 50%. We let here A and E represent the set of students who passed in account and English respectively. And next, in account, 50%, 30% passed in English. That's why number of English is given 30%. Then 30% failed in both. Now failed means negative term. If there is negative term, then we can use union's complement, which is also given 30%. Next, 50 students passed in both. Number of account intersection English is given 50. Now, what is given there in number, that is what we have to find in percent. जेको number दिएको छ त्यसलाई नै percent मा निकाल्ने. So it is given by using Venn diagram. By using Venn diagram, we have to find this number of A intersection E in percent. So let's use Venn diagram. Let's make Venn diagram first. Now we draw Venn diagram. Our universal set. Two sets are there. That's why we make two circles now. Represent account. The circle represent English. Intersection is not given. It is given, but it is given in number. That's why let it be X. In percent, number of account is 50. Now here we have to write only. That's why 50 minus X percent. Similarly, in English, 30 minus X percent. And complement is also given 30%. Failed in both subjects. Now from this Venn diagram, we can write and also write our number of U equals to addition of all this, because this total is number of U. So we can write here 50% minus X plus 30% minus X plus 30. Addition of all these is number of U. Now number of U is 100% is equals to, let's add these numbers, 50 plus 30, 80, again plus 30, 110, plus this minus X plus X can be cancelled. So remaining is minus X. This minus X and this plus X can be cancelled. Now let's take this x left side. So x is equals to 110 minus 100. So from here you get x is equals to 10. It means number of account intersection English is 10%. But actually here you have to find the number of students who passed account only. We have to find number of students who passed in account only, but you're not in percent. We have to find account, sorry, total number. That's why let's find the total number of students now. Okay, this is also intersection, which is 10%, and this is also intersection, which is 50. It means 10% is equals to 50. Then what will be 1% is equals to, if 10% is 50, you can use any unitary method, 50 divided by 10. And we have to find total number of students, which is 100%, we have to find is equals to 50 divided by 10 into 100. Now let's solve it. It will be 500. It means altogether there were 500 students. Altogether there were 500 students. Now you have to find who passed in account only. Number of students who passed in only is equals to, account only is 50 minus x. 50 minus x which means 50 minus 10, 40%. It means 40% student passed account only. But we have to find number. So 40% of total number, 40% of 200. Sorry, 500, because total number is 500. Now what is the 40% of 500? Is it 200? Here, required answer. Here, A and E represent the set of students who passed in account and English. Here, total number, let it be 100% because given in percent. Account 50%, English 30%, complement also 30%. Intersection is given 50. Now, what is given in number? That is what we have to find in percentage. So 50 minus x, here x, 30 minus x, 30. Because intersection is not given, so we let here x, 50 minus x, 30 minus x. Now, from this Venn diagram, addition of all these is number of u. So nu equals to, you can add this all. Now x equals to this 10% you will get. After getting this 10, we have to find what is the total number of students. We have to find what is the total number of student. And after finding total number of student, we can find whatever is given there in question. Here it is given to find the number of students who passed in account only. That is 50 minus 10, 40%. If English only, then 30 minus 10, 20%. If it was given what percent student passed in, how many students passed in both, then 10% of 550 students. How many students failed in both, then 30% of 500. We could find, right? Whatever is given there in question, we can find. In question number 9 also, we have to do same, but here we have to find just total people. We have to find the number of people who like winter season. So number of winter we have to find. In 8 number, total number only we have to find, right? Okay.